Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will report to you guys another milestone, no? A new citation to my article. Actually this will be my fourth citation. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. This morning I just received this email that I received a new citation in my article entitled Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning in my Gmail account. So the article is reducing obstacles for small and medium enterprises via digitization, Albania's case. Okay, so when I click this one, the link here, okay, this is my article, no? So by this time I have already 4 citations since 2022 when I published this article. In my Google Scholar, I have here 4 citation, no? So I'm just hoping that my other research together with Ma'am Rhea Balontong, the C4.5 decision tree algorithm and linear regression in guidance and counseling decision support will also receive a citation. Okay, so thank you, no? Thank you so much, no, for citing, no, by A. Lazaro and Niza on my article, no. This will be my 4th citations in Google Scholar. I really appreciate your support. If you have studied related to human resource information system in machine learning or C.5 decision tree algorithm in linear regression in guidance and counseling decision support system, kindly cite my articles. Thank you for your support and help. So I guess this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.